Whisper Aero is delivering cleaner, quieter, more efficient thrust for air mobility and air management, whether that's a drone for cargo, an airplane carrying passengers for regional flights, or cargo aircraft for the DoD, as leaf blowers or HVAC systems. All of this is within scope for the technology that we built here. Partnering with KETIV has allowed us to bring in tools that work at the pace that our engineers want to work at. They're not stuck using some legacy tools. They're not encumbered with the bureaucracy to ask. We're able to equip them with the tools that allow them to move at the speed startups need to thrive at.
At KETIV, our goal is to help customers unleash innovation and bring their product to market as efficient as possible to drive growth and profitability for their business. First off, we have great partners that provide technology. Autodesk, Ansys are two of the key partners we work with. We've hired a group of diverse backgrounds, so coupling the technology with our expertise allows us to go in with a customer and help them understand their workflow from end to end. In Whisper's case, it really allows you to unleash the innovation opportunity that exists today, do it much more efficiently, and get products to market, oftentimes in months versus years.
When we have a technology or a thrust into a sector, and we really want to understand what is the bare minimum we need to know to be dangerous in a topic, Ansys allows us to automatically explore that design space, figure out the key levers and knobs to twist and pull, and figure out then how do we translate that into a product.
The future trajectory, a lot of the analyses and high fidelity work that we're planning on doing to validate some of our future products rely heavily on the multidisciplinary connections. So without those tools under our tool belt, we would lose a lot of time having to build it ourselves without any guarantee that they're as reliable or efficient as what Ansys has.
Having this multidisciplinary framework that Ansys has put together helps us because all these engineers now can basically drop and drag different components in their workspace and be able to solve multidisciplinary problems that cater to only one discipline.
Engineers get into engineering to be creative. They want to invent the next great product, and Ansys allows them to do that without having all the burden of the tedious work. That's what excites us, is seeing these products in the field and seeing them last for a long time and make a difference in the community is what excites us at KETIV.